Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Hello, dear learners from 5 Agro students. I want to make a follow-up on the video or the slide that I sent you concerning monohybrid inheritance. This is the topic or the first part of the topic called livestock and the crop breeding. When you talk about monohybrid inheritance, this is the inheritance of characteristics controlled by a single gene. Mono means one. This can be determined using a genetic diagram known as a Punnett square. Of course, you can also determine it by crossing the combination of genes or the genetic makeup of the parents, the male and the female. But we are going to demonstrate on the Punnett square. A Punnett square is a diagram that shows the possible combinations of alleles that could be produced in the offspring. You know what an offspring is. An offspring is a young one born from its parents. Then from these combinations of alleles, the ratio of this combination now can be worked out. You can find out the ratio, is it 3:1 or 1:1? You can combine. I'll show you in the diagram or in the next video. And remember, the dominant alleles is shown using a capital letter, and the recessive allele is shown using the same letter but lowercase, meaning that if you are using letter A, the dominant allele should be shown with what? Capital letter A. And the recessive allele should be shown using small letter or lowercase letter a. Please, when you are drawing this in terms of an exam, use letters which are not so, which are obvious. Letters whereby the capital letter and lowercase letter are not very close. For example, A, when you look at letter A, the capital letter A is quite different from the small or lowercase letter a. The same applies to B. The capital letter and the lowercase letter for B are different, totally different. But if you look at letters like C and the P, those are almost close. You cannot easily differentiate, except maybe the way you are going to draw it. This one is bigger than the other one, but they are very close. There's no difference in the way you write those letters. So select letters that are quite different. The lowercase and the small, the lowercase and the capital letter are quite different from each other. Then one other thing that you need to understand is you should always write the dominant alleles first, meaning you write capital letter A first for dominant, followed by the recessive allele, meaning you write small letter or lowercase letter a next when you are writing the combination of the alleles or the genetic makeup, that is the genotype of an animal. Remember in the slide, the demonstration or that video clip was talking about mice, but remember farmers, we don't we don't have mice. Many farmers actually don't keep mice. The people who are keeping mice are maybe those are in the research because they want to use the mice for research. But on our farms, we produce livestock like chicken, goats, sheep, pigs, cattle. So we need to have characteristics which are good for those animals. Farmers would prefer to have characteristics or desirable characteristics which are good. depending on what they prefer. So I'm going to demonstrate to you on how monohybrid inheritance can also be done in cattle. Some farmers may prefer to keep pawed animals, meaning animals that are without horns, or they may prefer to keep horned animals. You look at that and you listen to the explanation in my next video clip I'm going to send you. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Keep yourself at home, so don't move around. Thank you very much.